So, welcome guys to another live sessions of Bugsprite. Let me just check once how is the video streaming and everything, then we can start. So, I hope it's still time to be to start out. So, this sessions, as you can see in the description box, we are having this sessions as you can see. We can start with the discussions of Instagram questions and answers. Then we can go with the CTF machine making. Then we can go with cybersecurity job opportunity, bug hunting, and again we can go with the giveaway. And the giveaway basically, before starting the live, let me tell you a giveaway part. Well, wait for a minute. Let me tell you a giveaway part. What is the giveaway will be there, and what will be the giveaway, just let me tell you. So the giveaway will be actually for the try hack me pass, and the try hack me pass will be there who are actually watching this live. I will give the 1 month subscriptions to the try hack me. So Aman Ahmad said hi bro. So basically, now let's start with the questions and answers of Instagram. Well, basically, those who are in the live, please type your name so that I can give a giveaway very in an easy manner. So that will be easy for me. You can type your name in the chat box so that we can go and tell your this one is the live one, or this he got the giveaway, etc, etc, etc. Aman Ahmad is on live. Okay, now let's wait for now let's come one of the question, how to start a bug bounty career. So basically, bug bounty career is not actually a career that you can pursue with, because if you go for a bug bounty or a bug hunting, it's basically a freelancing things. So I will suggest you don't go for a bug bounty career, rather you can go with the pen testing careers. And for the pen testing career, the starting is for the starting you need to do the same as a bug hunter. Like, you need to understand the vulnerability, you need to understand others things, and you need to also get some knowledge of how the exploit is done, how you are exploiting, etc, etc, etc. So this way you can actually do it out. And now let's coming this way you can start with the bug bounty career, and also you can practice labs from try hack me, from hack the box, then the Portugal labs are there. You can practice those lab and get a hand grip on them. Same questions. Okay, so the question was for the subscriber was how to wait for it. Let me get the question. The question was hyperlink injection to account takeover. By the way, I am telling this all answers of the questions, but you can also type your question in the chat box, and you can actually send me the question answers. Okay, so that I can answer your questions definitely. uh, how, like, hyperlink injections to account takeover. So basically, what is hyperlink injection to account takeover? Let me tell you, hyperlink injection. Basically, when you are actually sending a link to a user or to a customer, there you will be actually injecting a link, and when the user visit that link, it can be going for an account takeover. For this, you need to identify two criteria. The first criteria will be uh, goes in a way yeah, the first criteria will be you need to first using the hyperlink injections, or the link must have some miscellaneous payload, so that you can actually give some it can actually capture the thing. It can actually capture all the cookies and everything. That will be definitely, like, after you getting the JWT tokens, after you get the sessions and everything, it will be there, and you will get definitely the same things. There will be a account takeover. Now let's coming to the next questions. Okay, where is Instagram? So we do have Raghav. Yeah, it's G Saran. Yeah, definitely G Saran on live. for the giveaway. So guys who are seeing the live, please write your name so that we can have a giveaway contest. सेम क्वेश्चन ओके. फ्रेशर्स के लिए बता देना कुछ भी अभी स्टार्ट करना चाहता हूँ. ओके, सो बेसिकली एज अ फ्रेशर्स यू कैन स्टार्ट in this field. And how to start with in this field is that there are many companies who are not actually getting the degrees or something like that. They are asking for the experience. So if you are an experienced bug hunter, you can apply for hacker one, you can apply for integrity, you can apply for bug crowd as a cybersecurity manager. uh, this way you can actually go and check it out. The second most thing is that you can also apply for other companies security testing engineers. Basically in India we do have a degree programs which is necessary like BTech, but uh, it's not actually so equally. If you are having the degree of like if you are having the skills, then degree also sometimes doesn't work for at least. Now, can I get a pen tester job from achievement and experience of bug bounty without degree? So definitely you can actually get a pen testing job if you don't have a like degree. You are having a achievement or experience. So if you apply for Indian companies, definitely they won't be taking you up. Go for outside like international companies or international security hunting companies. They will actually going to take it out, because according to outside degree doesn't matter. It matters with like your experience, your vulnerability, your findings, your CV, how much CV you have reported, etc, etc, etc. Okay. uh, that's the things. Okay, so rather starting or like let's continue till the time. If you're having any doubt, you can just ask me out in the chat box. First we will be clearing the doubt session, then we will be actually going to have CTF live sessions. And well, there is not- that's all. So any question? Okay. I don't know, guys. You have subscribed to this platform or not? Because before, let me just give you a short gist of the things. So, without wasting the time, let's I who are the four giveaway. Let me just see the participants. Sudden is there. Okay, I am seeing only the three participants. So let's wait for some time. Then I will go for the giveaway one. So before that, let's start with the CTF making process, or how to actually like hunt on to get some information, etc. So wait for a minute. Let me just capture the image and just start. So I will just show you how today's life, how to make a basic vulnerable like basic machines. And for that you can use exploit DB. And in that exploit DB you can actually go and for like if you are totally a newbie one and you don't know how to build a application or build a vulnerable application, you can click on has application, and you can go with a particular topic. Like if you have a RC one, so you can type it RC and just click enter. Then you can check it out, the remote code execution hotel, the remote code extension, and then you can actually go with the vulnerable app installation. Okay, this is the hotel 3.0 remote code execution. Just let me okay, let me just open the machines and let me show you how it's a Debian machine which I use for like CTF testings and all. Before that, let me see in the comment box if anybody notifications आते ही आगे. Oh, congratulations. Hello. Okay, so let's start with the Debian machines. It take a bit amount of time to start out, and you can see a black screen totally, and it's totally boom. I like black screens. So guys, till the time, any questions you can ask. I am watching it from the basically from my phone, so that if you are having any question, you can just ask it out. So yeah, those who are coming new very much, I am again telling you, go please share the methodology to get a RCE. Okay, just first identify how the sequence works, then we are going to share the methodology to get the RCE. Let me just yeah, this is the actual Debian one, and then you can go with the web app with web browser, and you can go with exploit DB. Sankalp, I'm fine, buddy. What's about you? So, guys, to get a RC, let me just give you a gist. For RC, like you can't find RC totally or like very easily. Okay, you need to first understand about the flaws and everything how it is working. So let me go with the hotel. This one, Dude 3.0. I think is must be a applications, and like it's actually a CMS. And then let me just copy the link. I am copying the link, and let me just go with the terminal. Here I am using the PHP external, so cd slash where slash app HTML wget, and here I am actually wgetting the system. And let me show you in manual way. If I am going, this will be the root. Yeah, so system file system. Here is where www app public HTML, and if you can see, this is the actual file. And let me just extract here only, and the extracted file is hotel, this one. And let me just go to, sorry, this again, service Apache, and I will just start the service, and let me just uh, sorry. So the IP is 192.102, and the hotel is hotel tube. Let me just yeah, 192.168.112. And okay, I missed again, 198.112. And you can see it will be actually for the WordPress, but I am using here hotel. What's the DRUID hotel tube or something, hotel so you can check it out. Create a database and everything, you need to create a database, and then here the MySQL and everything you need to set up everything, and then you will be getting a basically a fully vulnerable applications, and it will be like the vulnerable for RC. Okay, so this way you can create your customized lab, and you can actually get, or like you can hunt on, you can practice more by creating your own labs. This is the way you can go with. And the second most, you can hunt on very other difference. And okay, this way I think people are more interested in hunting rather than like to develop anything. So let's go on the hunting process. So let's take an example of idor, and let's give you the example, or now what to say, like just tell you how to hunt idor and everything, and what is all about idor. So before that, let me get the notepad. Okay, I think it's some a bit laggy. The system is being lagged out because the OBS and everything is working. Let me just So what is IDOR? Let me just open this and IDOR. It's insecure design. Okay, okay, let me just first ask, bro, hunting करो टारगेट पे? डेफिनेटली आज नहीं करने वाला हंटिंग हम टारगेट पे, बिकॉज आज कुछ और ही करने वाले हैं हम. देन वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन, सर सीएसएस में डिप्लोमा के बाद इंटर्नशिप मिलने का. ओके एल्फॉन, हम लोग इस बारे में आते हैं. कैन यू शेयर सम बेस्ट फाइंडिंग? हाँ, इसके बाद मैं अपनी बेस्ट फाइंडिंग बताने वाला हूँ. सो बिफोर IDOR, let me just give you an example. What is IDOR? Let's say I am having any application where user is actually getting user 1 comma 2 comma 3, and it is going to n number of user. Okay, and every user is having identity, like it can be a UUID, it can be something UUID and everything. Okay, so basically when we do have a control security misconfiguration or access control access control vulnerabilities, like which to call and whom to call, who are like particularly UUID, sorry, CUID, it can be UUID one can actually visit like can actually get the all the files of user one. But let's say if UUID 3 can get the files user 2, user 1, so definitely it will be a bug, and this is the actual simple way to understand IDOR. And how to get understanding of the IDOR, I am sharing a bit resource out here. Let's just tell you, and let's just hunt on live, and I will be going to hunt this on a very commonly known platform. Okay, till the time all the setups I made, let's start with सर सी एस में डिप्लोमा के बाद, हाँ डेफिनेटली इंटर्नशिप का चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. एंड एक्चुअली देखो, इंटर्नशिप्स एंड एवरीथिंग टोटली डिपेंड ऑन योर स्किल्स, नॉट डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट द डिग्री यू आर हैविंग. सो डेफिनेटली अगर तुम्हारे पास स्किल है तो तुमको इंटर्नशिप बहुत अच्छे से मिलने वाली है. तो लेट्स ओपन फायरफॉक्स. ओके, आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट इज लाइक स्टिल लैगिंग. So the Firefox is like, FYRE Firefox. Let's open Firefox. Now let's say I need to test on a billing purpose. Let's say what I can do. Let me hunt on Facebook. So no, let me just create a account. Or how I can, like, how I will show you because it like what Facebook is all about. I can't share it out right now because somehow it will be very difficult for the user to get understand, and we don't have a much more time for this live also. So let's say user one, understand diagram, user one posted something, and the post ID is let's say 112. Okay, and user 2 uh, is not a friend, so he can't access post ID equals to 112, sorry 112, that is posted by let's say user 1. But let's say there is a access control access control misflow, like flaw or okay. So the user 2 can temper the post ID 112. Let's say he is posting a post and the post ID is 213, and he is actually knows the post ID for X user is 112. He is just changing the post ID to 112, and he is checking for like if there is any change in the particular post or not. And he is actually get if he is actually getting the access of 112, which is a private file, but he can access, so that is actually IDOR. I hope you got all this who joined in the live. So, can you share your best findings? Somehow, well, no, I can't. Sir, no web development and Android development can get an internship if I am in class 12 now. Definitely you can get class 12, like yeah, you can get internship. Like make a freelancer account and you can get a very good like jobs and all the things, you can get all the internship there also. Sir, please tell IDOR bypass technique. So how to bypass IDOR, let me just tell you. Sometimes where you can actually first try for IDOR can be tried in file download, comma invoice download, comma support ticket, and then anything where multi users can perform this. Okay, so this will be all where you can possibly get an IDOR. But let me tell you a best thing for IDOR, how to bypass, because sometimes let's say the user sometimes the like varies. Okay, how it varies, let me check. If you're in the same network sorry, like some of the web application, if they are recognizing IP also, so there you can actually get a IDOR. Okay, like if you are cloning the IP and then you are sending the request, then definitely that will work. But to bypass IDOR, there are many hell lot of technique which you can identify from your own. Please don't teach the theory. So Aman, I hope so. For the theoretical part, I am not here definitely. The IDOR videos will be coming up later also. But for the advanced one, you can like join the workshop. There IDOR will be there, but some features like if I tell, so what will be the difference between me and other people who are taking the fees and charging them. Okay, so somehow I am also doing this. There is a workshop, you can join that workshop to learn more. What is the difference between CSRF and IDOR? Okay, CSRF and IDOR is a very good question. So let me tell you, CSRF is actually a token. Okay, that token is like if you are using the token, and definitely you can manipulate the token to get the user account also. But IDOR can be like we having a CSRF, we having JWT, we having XYZ, or there are many authentication process, like authentication way or way to control the access. Okay, but all this vulnerability which is having like, okay, like all this vulnerability that you can find is for IDOR. Let me tell you, particularly CSRF token leak or CSRF from token leak, you can go with multiple vulnerability. Then but all these things which you can go with IDOR one, it's totally different. All these things which comes under is a IDOR, but CSRF is a part of that. Many times I log out CSRF vulnerability inside. So let me tell you, CSRF tokens look like XYZ with the logout function. I'm going xyz.com slash question mark logout log equals to, and then there will be some CSRF token will be there. First of all, check for this CSRF token, and just you can do one thing, you can copy like if the site is not having a CSRF during the logout, you can get the URL, you can and if it is having a like post options like comments or anything. So what you can go and post the URL, post the URL, and the URL must be not with the CSRF token xyz.com slash logout 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 question mark equals to, or anything which you are having the particular like you need to check it out. Okay, so anybody who is visiting this post, this will be actually like who is visiting the post or who is visiting the page basically. Post comment, let me say the page, he will be actually logged out and automatically without also clicking the logout button. So this vulnerability was actually this CV was registered on hub site, and this CV was registered by one of the, I think Tuhin boss only. Definitely we are working together. This was all about it. हाउ टू फाइंड CSRF, भाई एक दिन में पूरा बग बाउंटी कवर कर दूंगा तो कैसे होगा, ये भी एक बात है. So okay, let's just wait for some time. Let me just go to. I think much audience have been came out, and let me just show once again. Okay, let me just wait for. Yeah. So guys, just a second. You can type your names so that we can go for the giveaway part for a try hack me. I think many of you have joined. Um So one by one type your name, and then I can actually call the name who can get the try hack me pass. Elvin Cloud. Okay, the first name. There were two more names which we got previously. And where is this? Where it has gone? Where it has gone? Okay. So I think many of you are visiting this live. So let me just share the try hack me link in the YouTube chat box only. So whoever gets a click on the link, he will be actually the first. So I hope this might work. So let me just hit enter, and guys, this is the actually the pass, and you can go and check it out. जो पहले लिया उसका, बट हाँ कमेंट कर देना किसने पहले लिया. So who got it first? Let me just inform me. Okay. So anybody who got, or anybody who have taken the facility, tell me. I think nobody is going to take it out. So for this giveaway, I would like to thanks one of the person who is an anonymous drops or yeah, anonymous or something, who is the actual who gave me this one, and very thanks to him for giving this uh, voucher, and he told me to give it on a giveaway, and here I am giving you all this on giveaway. So I think this live was not for like to tell you what all about hunting and everything. So guys, there are 8 people who have taken I don't know who have taken, anybody has taken or not. Don't know. So guys, if you are having any question, just ask me out, but don't tell me to so lively, because if I show you here, the condition is totally raining out, and my PC is also lagging today. So live sessions will be conducting somehow a bit later on the next live or something. So any theoretical questions or anything which we can conduct on, you can just ask. No one. Okay. So I don't think so. You are having any questions. Blockchain resources. The blockchain resources will be available in the Azure. If you are actually apart from like Azure, okay, Azure Education. So in Azure Education, there is a blockchain like course is there from Microsoft, and that course is really awesome. Let me tell you, that course is really awesome. You can go, like it's nearly cost about $250, but online vouchers are also available. You can go and check that courses. That will be definitely helpful. Any more? So recently, I hope you have also seen about the uh, Google Gmail was in the Instagram post. The Gmail was like under the DOS attack. So basically, it's you can also try it out on your home, and what was all about it. Sun's blockchain courses is good. You can go with it. So basically, for the Gmail one, what I have done nothing. But if you are mailing, in the mail content of the body, you can proceed with 10,000 bit or more than that. Then you can go without. Okay. So Elvin, it has been taken by someone else, and that was the only. And so Sankal got it. So congratulations, Sankal, for the voucher, the Try Hack Me voucher. Enjoy it. So yeah, that's telling about you can also have like for the if you are going for a DDoS attack, the one of the most easiest one. Let me tell you in the Gmail what you can do. You can get the resource. Let me just. I don't think. Let me just show you something. Let me just check if my mail is login or not. If the mail is login, then I can tell you that the mail is not login. Let me just log in out, and then I am going to show you something. Better luck next time, Elvin. If I got some more, I will be giving you in the Instagram. Do follow me on Instagram. And okay, so let's get the OBS one. Blockchain is a future or not? That's a good question, but what I can suggest you all about, let me tell you. Particularly, none of the thing is uh, like visited or something. Okay, so particularly anything cannot be from the organization. Particularly I can tell you like and not blockchain, but like if today blockchain is much more secure, tomorrow there can be many other thing can come on. Okay, and that can actually help you out. Okay, so that's the thing. The blockchain if I tell you like blockchain is the future, that will be my fault, but yeah, definitely not. I can say there can be much more advanced technology which can come, and definitely Elvin, I can't forget you, because तुम्हारा uh, जो डीपी है, like the DP is basically on an anime structure, pink color का है, and I remember that till now. So let me just make the intercept on, and let me just go with the bird, and let me just send it out. And here I capture the request, and let me just no, this is not the one. Let me just forward it out. This is also not the one. Yeah, this is the actual request, where this is the actual content. So let me just send it to the repeater. mm, yeah, this is the actual content. And if I just let me tell you, if you're going it with using the Google, so it cannot be worked out. And let me just paste it out as many times as I can. Let me just copy and paste the payload again, and let me do it multiple times. Okay, so unless and until the server, because Gmail server is somehow a bit good one. uh, so web NFT, yeah, definitely they can be a future asset. I'm not telling they can be like in future they can last up to 100 to 10 years. Is this a DOS attack? Definitely it's a DOS attack. Now let me show you. I am sending this request, and somehow it will take, and you can see it's successful, and the mail I have got it out, and you can check it. Yeah, definitely. And let me just do one thing. Let me off the intercept, and let me do a Gmail one, and how it is actually. No, I am not getting 400 bad error. The mail is actually successful. Let me show you the response. Repeater, you can see it's a 200 okay, and the mail is actually being successfully delivered to me. And let me show you, this is actually the mail. Okay, and this is the actual mail. And let me just, what's the thing is going on. Well, let me open it in the new application, and let's wait for some time. I think the payload is bit low, or it hasn't been taken out. Let me remind me later, sorry. Let me just do it once more time. This time, where it is, the Gmail above shoot, and let me just paste 2 to 3 more times. And now let my system is now hacked. Now let's just send me the mail, and let me just check it out. It will again 200 error, but the DOS is not from their server. Why I am telling you, the server will also have a DOS attack, but after some times. So I don't think this is actually been working out. The mail haven't came yet, but here it is 200 okay. And why this is happening, let me tell you. At this tech, the mail will be actually delivered you after 12 to 13 minutes. Why I'm telling you, this payload is so bulk payload, okay, that this makes the SMTP server to send mail, but the data that it is transferring through the channels. If you have learned about in the network, you know about carrier sensors, or carrier like CSMA CD and CSMA CA, that are different carrier sensors who actually take the data and supply it according to timeline. So this is actually making the server totally down. What, it cannot send you the mail for particular user or particular system unless and until like for 2 to 3, according to like 3 4 minutes, 5 6 minutes. Okay, so this you can try it out, and this will be the actual vulnerability which is already being reported. I'm not telling this is not reported, this is reported already. But every time, as Google is Google haven't given any content protection, it will always show a 200 error. They're like 200 okay, and the data will be always be like to this much of data, and this much of bulk amount will be shown. And once like how it is lost, it is lost from this side. But if I show you, wait for a minute. So this is my mail ID. Let me just, I don't know if I got some. Let me show you the previous examples. I think I haven't deleted, so I must be having that previous mails also. Wait for some times. No, no, this is the mail. So I am very close to that mail. Let me just check the sent one. I sent it from, I think, black. Yeah. So this is, no, this is not the actual mail. Guys, where it has gone, I can't like find it out. Let me just, I think it's 5 to 6 years, like 5 to 6, not years, 5 to 6 days back, where I have been like doing this type of things, and that actually make the it make the server down, as well as it make one of the applications also down, and I can't like let me just check once more here if I can see anything. No, it's not. No reply, no reply, no reply. Okay, abstract, so definitely it is beyond abstract, so it can be up here in this okay. So what happened, let me tell you, in that system what you can do, if there is many big mails, if it is coming, so what you can do it, you can go and check it out, the mail one, okay, and the mail leads to the server attack, that I told you, the SMTP attack was already being done, but there is one more attack, which I told you. This is not the full mail which is coming actually. Here it will be read mode option. If you go and click on read mode option, it will take you to another like it will take you to another page, and that page will load, and your server will, like your system will be totally on blue screen error. Okay, like your heap memory will always crash out, and everything will go like this. This was the vulnerability, and it is under review. It's not still accepted, it is under review by Google. Let's check it out, what's the bounty they are giving it out. Can we can we other character to example as, yeah, definitely you can use other characters also. The DOS attack is same like WhatsApp crash code. Definitely like the WhatsApp crash code, there is you can use also it on Gmail. But if you use directly on Gmail like that, like from the existing one, so it won't be working out. That's the thing. So you need to sorry, yeah. So what you need to do, you need to actually intercept the request and then change it out, because according to, like, they are having a client side verification, not the like not from the server side. So once the client side verification you are bypassing from the website, then you can go and check it out. Any more guys, like I told you that I won't be showing you live hunting, but sometimes I need to show you something for like the YouTube ones. So I hope it's still up, and again congratulations to Sankalp for getting the voucher. What is the payload? Special character is being filtered. No, actually, if you mailed out Elvin, so it takes nearly about 1,000 to 2,000 characters only, and some special characters like which are used for FD characters, which we known as FD characters. Sometimes, if you're using, they do it using like the text. Okay, they use in a divider form, but you need to just remove the div sectors, like the you need to remove the what I can say, you need to remove the particular container. Then if you like get into the thing, then you can work. Let me show you the I just close. So there when you will intercepting the request, You can actually check it out. There is a div content, you need to remove the div and then you can go for like direct attack. Yeah, so I hope any more doubt till now, or we can have like end up the session out here. Can we end the session here, or like you're having any more doubt? Okay guys, so 7, so guys don't forget to it's not div, it's div. Div, the container of HTML. Actually what happening, if you write a normal mail, okay, so it will go it in a normal way. Definitely if you write slash h1, so it is coming under div and it is actually bypassing all the things, okay. So it's totally div, not diff. I hope you got it. Okay, so let's end out here and I don't no 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 it's not like that. So guys, ending out here, and if you're having still any problem, you can contact me on Instagram at @exploit. And whoever want to join the security training course, you can join it out. It's still the registration are open and the classes will be coming starting from next first, and the prices is only Kirtan Nagar. Make one. Okay, definitely make one POC of अगला गिव अवे कब है. So I will contact with the one who give me the voucher. I will contact if he is having any voucher. I will make sure that I will do a giveaway on Instagram. And that time like he is having much more passes of HTTP and other. I don't know from where he is from where he is getting, and his name is Anonymous Learner. So thanks to Anonymous Learner for this giveaway. He is the sponsor of this giveaway basically.